Let's continue with practice problem number 4. A taxi service charges 40 pesos for the plug down rate and 15 pesos per kilometer. Write the cost function and compute the fare for a 12-kilometer trip. So given, plug down 40 pesos plus 15 pesos per hour trip per kilometer, and the trip is 12 kilometers. So required cost a function cost function and the fare for 12 kilometers. Our solution is a piecewise function. So our cost, C, a function of D, the distance is equal to 40 pesos if the distance is greater than 0 or less than or equal to 1. And then if D is greater than 1, it is 40 plus 15 times D minus 1. So for 12 kilometers, our answer is C. A function of 12 is equal to 40 plus 15 times 12 minus 1 is 11. So the answer is 205. So the final answer, our function is C, a function of D is equals to 40 plus 15 times D minus 1. That is for D is greater than 1. And the fare would have to be for 12 kilometers, it is 205 pesos. Practice problem number 5. The height of a ball thrown upward is given by h, a function of t, is equal to negative 4.9 t squared plus 20t plus 1.5, where t is the time in second. Find the maximum height reached. So we're given height, a function of time, is equal to negative 4.9 t squared plus 20t plus 1.5, where t is in seconds. So we are required to get the maximum height reached. So solution, so the vertex at t is equal to b over 2a, which is equal to 20 over 2 times negative 4.9, which is approximately equal to 2.0408 seconds. So the vertex value, the maximum height is equals to C, which is equal to b squared over 4a, which is equal to 1.5 minus 400 over 4 times 4.9, which is equal to 21.9 meters. So the final answer, the maximum height is 221.91 meter, uh, that occurs at time is equals to 2.02.04 seconds. That means that the maximum time the ball can travel is 2.0408 seconds, coming from our understanding of parabola. And then number 6, the monthly electricity bill of a household can be modeled by the function C, a function of x equal to 10x plus 500, where x is the number of kilowatt hours consumed. Write the model and compute the bill for 300 kilowatt hour. So we are given C, a function of x is equal to 10x plus 500, where x is in kilowatt hour. So required the bill for 300 kilowatt hour. So we are going to substitute 300 kilowatt hours in our given function. So after substituting it, you will be getting 3,500. Therefore, the final answer, the monthly bill, is equal to 3,500 pesos. Practice problem number 7. A cell phone plan costs 800 per month for the first 5 gigabytes of data and 150 pesos per additional gigabyte. Represent this as a piecewise function. So we're given 800 pesos per month for the first 5 gig per extra, and then 150 pesos per extra gigabyte. Require the piecewise function. And then our solution, let D be the gigabyte use. So we have a piecewise function. C, a function of D, is equal to B, where D is greater than or equal to 0, but is less than or equal to 5. And then equal to 800 plus 150 times D minus 5, um, for D is greater than 5. So that is our final answer. The final answer will be C, a function of D, is equal to 800, for D is less than or equal to 5. Else, it is 800 plus 500 times D minus 5. Practice problem number 8. The demand for a product is given by D, a function of P, is equal to 100 minus 2P, where P is the price per unit. Model the number of units sold when the price is 20 pesos. So we're given the demand, D, a function of P, is equals to 100 minus 2P, where P is the price per unit. So required units sold when P is 20. We only substitute 20 in P in our given function. And the answer is 60 units. So the answer is 60 units sold at a price 20 pesos. And then number 9, practice problem number 9. A loan of 50,000 pesos is taken with simple interest at 6% per year. Write a function to represent the total amount owed after 3 years. So we're given loan 50,000 pesos, simple interest 6% per year. So required the amount owed after 3 years. So our solution, simple interest. A function of t is equals to p times 1 plus rt. And then substitute now the p, which is 50,000, and we have an interest of 0.06. So we will have this function, the final answer, a function of t is equal to 50,000 times 1 plus 0.06t. Practice problem number 10. The cost of producing X items is given by C, a function of X equal to 200X plus 5,000. If each item is sold for 300 pesos, write the profit function. So we're given the cost as a function of X equal to 200x plus 500 um, sale price per item 300 pesos. And then we are required to determine the profit function. So our revenue will be equal to 300x, and then our profit will be P, a function of X, is equal to R, a function of X, and then we have 300X minus open and close parenthesis 200X plus 5,000. And then we will have then um, 100x minus 5,000. When you remove the symbol of grouping, 300x minus 200x will become 100x. And then the 500 there will become now minus. So minus 500. So the final answer, the profit as a function of x equal to 100x minus 500. Practice problem number 11. A concert hall charges 1,000 for VIP seats and 600 pesos for regular seats. Write a function to represent the total revenue based on the number of each type of tickets sold. So, our given data, 100 pesos for VIP and regular for 600 each, and then required the total revenue in terms of the number of VIP tickets. We are going to represent it by B, and regular tickets represented by R. The solution, our revenue will be R, a function of B, and R is equal to 1000B plus 600R. The final answer, R, a function of B, and R is equal to 1000B plus 600R. Practice problem number 12. A water tank is filled at a rate of 10 liters per minute. Write a function to represent the volume of water after 10 minutes if the tank was initially empty. So, given tank filled at 10 liters per minute, initially empty. So required the volume after 10 minutes. Solution, the volume V as a function of T is equal to T times T liters, and that is for T is greater than or equal to 0. So our final answer, B, a function of T is equal to 10T. Okay, so let's have now the next part of our quarter 2 numbers and algebra lesson 11.